My name is Michael. I'm a teacher in a school in Mödling, Austria, and I teach students in the age from 14 to 19, and my subjects are math and computer science. In the next few minutes, I will talk about my experience during the distance learning and how we solved it in our school. The school was very confused because we have not really a platform, and we used already the Microsoft 365 platform, but it was not uniform. And so we started to teach the teacher and to solve a lot of problems, because an email communication with maybe 180 students is not really suitable. And so they were very happy to use a learning platform where you can use a one-to-one chat or use a group chat with a specific class. We spent a lot of time at night to help the teachers, to help our colleagues to get things right. Module 1 of our MS Teams workshop was how can I communicate with students in a lockdown phase. So what are the possibilities? And this is a one-to-one chat or group chat or an announcement in a team. This was a really huge part in the Module 1. And of course, how to share files with the students and how to collect files from the students. In Module 2, we go a little bit further because we used forms and quizzes for Microsoft, and showed them how to make a form with feedback questions or do a quiz with some knowledge questions. So, and how to import this quiz to Microsoft Teams as hub for learning in our school. This had a huge impact. And day 2 from Module 2 was OneNote. And we showed OneNote, we connected OneNote with MS Teams. And so we go this step further that the students can really easily put their pictures into a OneNote site, and the teacher can easily correct it on this OneNote site, and you can write a thing to it. You can make an audio to the student in one page. Module 3, we will go really deep in the thing and give them the ability to record tutorials. And after these 2 days, I saw a lot of new videos on our stream platform made from our colleagues in the Module 3. The most important thing is that the teacher the students are familiar with is in the video, and he talks about the topic in a way he does it in the normal mode. So this is familiar to a student, and this is how he learned. You will have students with absolutely no will to contact you and not messaging you, and they do their topics and their tasks very well. They will do everything you say and don't need this communication. But when a student needs it in class, it's way more difficult to go in this communication with a teacher, because after the 50 minutes with 25 students in class, you leave the class, go to another class, again 25 students, and there is no communication. This is not possible because of the timetable. And some of the students want this communication, and now there is no barrier anymore. I want a question, then they'll get the answer, or they get a question from me to find their own answers. Me and my colleague did also video tutorials, and this on YouTube, because we don't have the barrier with some logins, because they don't even have logins for our Microsoft environment. So we maybe recorded 11, 12 videos, especially for students, to learn how to chat with the teacher, how to chat with other colleagues, how to reply to an announcement, or how to upload a file, or turn in an assignment, or how to take a picture and load it and make an upload to this platform. So this were needed, because when you don't have any experience with an e-learning tool, you need some help. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but the environment of our school and the environment of the school over the street are not the same, because every environment has some special features, has some special needs. Where can I log in? Where can get my credentials? And so it was important to do a really fitted video for our school. Don't close the live sessions, just go out the room and let the students alone in this room, and then they can communicate. This is their space, then they can communicate each other, maybe build up some channels where they can communicate with each other. Not 100% of the students you will catch, yeah, this is not possible, but a high number you get, and they really bring some good input. Thank you for listening, and goodbye, and happy e-learning.